Welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to see a very common mistake that leaders are doing during the colgada, the preparation especially for a back colgada.
It's very nice that you put your attention on that because followers will benefit from that.
If you're enjoying this and like the content that we're having, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. That is really helpful to grow our channel.
Now, let's go to the video.
Hello and welcome back. Now here in the dance floor, we are going to start working in colgadas.
We have very important tip for leaders and also for followers. Let's start with that.
Yes. We are going to start up with the back colgada. Back colgada means hanging and side and pam, ocho, colgada, and out, side, just to go to any other figure. So what are we doing here? The first tip for the followers, if you want.
Okay, yeah. We have to know which one is the point of connection from our bodies to receive the lead and to keep your axis without pulling the leader off axis, pulling the leader to his front.
Without being heavy.
Yeah, so we are going to do a side step and back ocho, and here you feel the lead to the second back ocho and to the colgada. So when I feel he's sending my leg back for colgada, I receive that splitting the legs only. And then point of connection will be my shoulder blade. Left shoulder blade, left one. So it's not weak, it's in action, down to connect with him. And then I'm going to split the legs, don't rotate yet, so we can do this. I'm going to split the legs, if you notice, it's only opening the feet back and front. And never go with your head. So I will not create the hanging position or off-axis position from torso because that makes the leg small position, little step. We need to create larger position of your base, legs apart, center, your head, torso, and connection is here. So if I don't have the hands, this is how we connect with the leader. Okay. Back to axis, this is center. So this is for the follower, very important.
Yes, so now for the leaders, the main problem that happened here, I will do it in this angle, so can I do it one more time? So you see what I'm talking about, 1 and ocho. When we enter to this next ocho, we have to aim, we have to follow her back step. Can you see that I'm positioning near her back step with enough space for her to send the leg on the back. Now, common mistake, and this is what we want to correct. I see a lot of leaders aiming towards her front foot and then going back, and she doesn't receive any back lead because I'm too far apart, because I was aiming towards her front. We should aim towards her back, so when we transfer weight, look, I will pull, and now I can send her out from my torso. That is the idea. If I will be here, no chance for her to go back. It'll be very short. That's the first correction for the leader.
Good. Let's show the colgada in slow motion one more time from different angles so you can see how we activate those points and we connect each other to do a colgada. Back with the left leg for the follower. Step connection going around, splitting the legs, keep the head in position, connect again to resolve.
Yes, so that is a very important thing. The other thing for the leader, so the leader has to open a little more the right shoulder blade and actually the left, and give a space from the right. Let me show you what I mean at this moment. So you will see it from the top camera, pam. Now, I will start sending. I was telling you that I have to follow her back foot. Plus, did you notice that I'm sending her very much in line? My torso is basically facing this direction. As soon as, can I rotate? As soon as I start rotating, she will go for a front. If this is happening to you and you want to lead a colgada and this happens, it might be because you are closing too much the left. And actually we have to leave the left and pull with the right elbow. So like this, tung, tung. My right elbow is moving her back leg. And now from there, yes, once we have the colgada, then we can rotate around.
Thanks so much for watching the video until the end.
That really means a lot to us and we really appreciate your support. Make sure to check out the next recommendations that are coming up and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.